So it is currently raining, but it's darker on that side. I'll show you as I start to drive. So it's a bit darker on this side. Walmart. Let's go ahead and get what we need because supposedly it's gonna start to rain more. They already have all the Easter stuff. That's so cute. The Stitch baskets. I wonder if they have Bluey and Bingo. Let's go look at the other side. The girls, this book. I love when I read to them at nights for bedtime. That is what I have so far. We're gonna be heading home because I just got an alert that there is a dangerous storm heading our way. So let's go home. Hey you guys, so I didn't pick up the camera earlier because as you all saw, it was raining so bad. It got crazy. You couldn't even see the roads or anything. But we are safely home. I have the girls with me. Kata and Sophia's in her room. I know. And yeah, she wants to play Monopoly. And it just started raining again. Watch. It just started raining again.
I want to go touch the waves so bad. I want to just go in my my boots and then jump. Can
You want to do it? Go. Go.
Watch your slip and fall.
Careful.
I want to see it happen.
Over here. Right here.
Right there. That big one.
Na Sofia eating a concha. Big bag.
Right there.
Oh my gosh. You're wild.
I'm wet.
So yeah. We're home, we're safe, and we'll stay tuned for another video, you guys. Bye you guys.
Bye.